Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an image of a selected passage from the Bible on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Bible button down below, which is the second option. Then you should select a passage, so tap on it. And after that, as you tapped on it, you can see these preset backgrounds here. As you scroll down, you can see that there's a vast variety of options that you can choose from. All you have to do is selecting one and tapping on it. Tap on choose image down below. Then you should select a font. After that, you should click on the save button at the top, but you can also set the line height, the letter spacing, the size. Then you can set the canvas. You can select the opacity and the color of the text, and you can make the background blurred, and you can set the brightness too. If you are done with these adjustments, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and you can also add a comment to it if you want to, and share it with your friends by tapping on the share button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.